Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Google Sheets API and open App Script for the spreadsheet. Create a sheet with clear headers, for example, prompt, response, status, and reserve a range for input. Next, add your chat model API key into script properties so the key is not visible in cells. Once done, write a small app script function scaffold that reads the prompt cell, calls the external API, and writes back the response. Make sure to test with a one-line prompt. You now implement the core. In App Script, use URL fetch app to post the prompt to the chat API, include headers and your stored API key, then parse the JSON response for the text field. Once done, structure the code to batch read multiple prompts and batch write responses to reduce calls. Add try/catch to handle errors and rate limit responses. Also, add a custom menu and a sidebar form for quick entry, and attach an on-change or time-driven trigger for automated processing of queued prompts. You complete the system by adding status markers and timestamps so you can track processed rows and failures. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff for transient errors. Make sure to enforce prompt size limits locally and throttle requests to control cost and avoid hitting quotas. Finally, deploy the script as needed and test with several prompts. If something goes wrong, inspect the app's script logs, verify API quotas and billing, confirm correct OAuth scopes, and ensure your key is valid. That single check often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.